Okay, so I'm gonna give it another spray because I wanna show you guys on the app how the air quality changes. So right now we're at a good air quality, and you'll see that it's going to change and it's going to start showing you the different measurements. Now, before I go ahead and tell you, as you can see, it just changed to fair. So the air quality is getting worse. Hi everyone, and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. So today we're going to be doing a review, as you can see, on the Dyson PureCool TP04 model. Now, before I go ahead and get into this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon to stay notified with all of our live videos. And also, if you guys decide to purchase this product or any of the products we do reviews on, please don't forget to check out our shop, amazon.com/shop/X. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So I was actually given this as a gift. Thank you so much, because now I can talk about it with you guys because I actually love this guy. So it's great for checking your air quality, and also for people who have allergies, this is the thing. So what I love about this is that it's voice controlled, so you can control it through your Amazon Echo. And I'm gonna just go ahead and get some hairspray here and just spray it in the air. So while we're doing this video, you guys will see that it'll turn on automatically and start purifying the air. Now, it does intelligently sense particles and the gases, and then it diagnoses and reports it directly to your app. So you'll see that it'll report it all in real time. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys details in the app as well. But before I do that, you'll notice that when it does start rotating, it does do a 350-degree oscillation with remote, and it's activated through the Alexa. So it delivers 77 gallons per second of airflow. I'm gonna go ahead into the app, guys, and just start showing you guys how to set it up. Okay, so I'm gonna give it another spray because I wanna show you guys on the app how the air quality changes. So right now we're at a good air quality, and you'll see that it's going to change and it's going to start showing you the different measurements. Now, before I go ahead and tell you, as you can see, it just changed to fair. So the air quality is getting worse. Our PM10 has increased, and so has our VOC. I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys exactly what those measurements mean. And you can hear the fan is now turning on at a faster speed. So let's figure out what our indoor air quality is. So our index here shows us that we are at a fair air quality. Our machine is detecting a moderate level of microscopic particles and volatile organic compounds. You could run it at a low speed or set it to auto mode as well. Now I'm going to show you guys our indoor temperature is set to Celsius, and we also have a measurement for the relative humidity as well. And you can see that it also measures your particulate matter. So particulate matter, which is a PM2, is the term for microscopic particles smaller than 2.5 microns in size. So these include stuff like smoke, bacteria, allergens, and it also tells you exactly where on that it is. Now, this is great for people who have any allergies. It's perfect in measuring what exactly is happening in your air. Now, the volatile organic compounds, which was the VOC level that increased right now, as you guys saw when I sprayed my hairspray, these are found in stuff like cleaning products, paints, new furnishings, and as well as my hairspray. So that was at a level of fair. And also nitrogen dioxide is another measurement you'll find, the NO2 level. So these are potentially harmful gases that are released by air combustion. So let's just say if you're cooking, or if there's a vehicle emissions that your place is taking in. So I wanted to show you guys exactly where your fan falls underneath when it is in a certain air quality level. So you'll see for us it's unfair. So fair is 60 to 79, and before that we were actually in a green zone, which was under excellent, which is 80 to 100. And you'll see now as we go back into the app, our VOC level is slowly decreasing, but yeah, that's pretty much how you'll see what our levels are at right now. Our temperature indoors is 25 degrees and our relative humidity is at 32%. Now, we also have our location set up so you can see what's happening outdoors as well. Outside, it's pretty cold, it's 2 degrees, and we can just see that our everything else is measured there as well. Now I have this set up to be in my sitting room. So I already set that up before I went ahead and started showing you guys how the app is operating. I'm gonna start showing you guys now the filters and exactly how to take it apart and what kind of filters we have inside. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to take apart the bottom compartment here to show you guys the filters. You just push down these 2 buttons here and you'll see that it has sealed HEPA filters. Now these filters normally need to be replaced once a year, I would say, if you keep it on roughly about 12 hours a day. The HEPA filters is what is filtering out 99.9% of the air pollutants. And we also have our activated carbon filters here, which is also going to be cleaning out the gases in the air and filtering that out. And you can simply take that out and remove it and just simply replace that. All right, so what comes with this bad boy here? So you get the beautiful big Dyson, and you have your air filters that it comes with already. You also get a remote control that you can use if you don't want to access it through your smart device. It also comes with a cable adapter to power it up. So what I like about this remote control is you actually never lose it because it's magnetic and it just sticks right up there just like that. Now if you look closely here at the screen, you'll see that it's set up to an auto setting. You can set it up however you like. I like to keep it on auto because I like it running whenever it needs to be running, and whenever it doesn't really need to be on, I like it to be off. It doesn't really take off that much energy, so even if you have it on 24/7, it's perfectly fine. You can see in this screen over here, it's showing you a little bit of a graph of the air quality. We are in the green, so we're doing pretty well. So this guy over here is a little expensive. It is priced at $550 US, and if you are a Prime member, it is priced at roughly about $500 US. Do you guys find that that is worth it for an air filter, or would you guys think differently? Leave a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are, guys, because I'm really curious. I think it would be beneficial for somebody to have if they have allergies, but I think otherwise it could be a little pricey. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to check out the rest of our videos here on the right, and don't forget, if you found this video useful, share it with your friends and your family. Subscribe to our channel before you leave if you haven't yet already. Follow us on Facebook, on Instagram. Check us out on HomeAutomationX.com, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.